Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to simplify square root of 168. This is a radical expression and we can simplify it very easily by finding the factors of 168. So let's find the factors of 168. So dividing it by 2, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8. Again we can divide by 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. 21 is an odd number, it is divisible by 3. 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 is prime number, it is only divisible by 7. So the factors of 168 will be 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 7. All the numbers are under the square root sign, so we can take pairs of number to take them out of the square root sign. So we can write it as square root of 4 times 2 times 3 times 7, or square root of 4 times square root of 2 times 3 times 7, or square root of 4 will be 2 times square root of 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42. So that's 2 square root of 42. This is how we can simplify a radical expression. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.